Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab we're going to be doing the month of May, what's in my everyday makeup stash. You guys seem to love these videos, so I'm going to continue to produce them for you. But this month I have a little bit of new products, but a lot of old products that has been stashed away in my makeup collection. So if you're new to my channel, that is what this video is all about. Each month I put out a what's in my everyday makeup stash video for that month. I will utilize products that I've had in my collection or new products that I'm intrigued to try. So without further ado, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for more makeup stash videos, and let's just jump right on in. Alright, so I have a few eyeshadow palettes here. I'm going to start with the new one, and then I'll talk about the older ones. So this new one is, well, new to me, is the Narcissist Loaded Eyeshadow Palette, and it looks like this. This is what the front looks like. Hopefully this doesn't blind you because it is a mirror on the front. Then there's a larger mirror inside, and these are the colors. I'm going to be using this. I'm super excited to try it. This is my first NARS palette I have, and I'm going to be using that on the daily. Another one that's like an everyday type of eyeshadow palette to use is the Patrick Starr Gold Getter eyeshadow palette. It was like this collaboration he came out with the silver glittery sparkly packaging. And it has these four colors right here. Typical like everyday shadows if you tend to do shadows every day. But if you're just doing something like quick and easy, I think these four shadows are super easy to use. And all four of these shadows can create one look, or you can mix it up and just do two. Whatever floats your boat, but this is a super easy palette. I do not think that you can get this palette any longer. But if I find a link, then I'll link it down below in the description box. But these are some palettes that I want to use for this month and just get back into using eyeshadows and creating eyeshadow looks. And I saw this one sticking out of my eyeshadow bin, and I'm like, I haven't even used this. So this is actually one that I have on my eyes right now, minus this little glitter part that is peeking through. That is actually a liquid eyeliner. But this is a Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. This palette has so many gorgeous shadows in it. And here it is. This is the gold one I have on my lid, and then the black one on the outer corner. It's never too late to grab this palette. I'm telling you, it has so many things that you can do with it, with bright colors, gold colors, bronzes, even these matte shades that you can use on a daily basis, on an everyday type of look. So this is another palette I want to use for this month. And in case you guys ask me, I will put it in the description box below, but this is the two lips that I'm going to be using as far as like my nude everyday type of looks. I am wearing it right now. It is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Biscotti. And it actually looks like this. So I went and lined my lips with the MAC lip liner in the shade Cork, and then I went on top of that with this Stila liquid lipstick. And then on top of that is this Buxom nudie pinky Va Va Plump and Taupe It Off. And this is what their packagings look like, and this is what both shades look like. So this one is the Stila, and then this one is the Buxom Va Va Plump lipstick. Super cute. I think it's like the perfect nude combo to wear every day without it being too bright or too nude or too white, too pink. Reach back into my collection and use this. This is another Patrick Starr and MAC collaboration. This is the I'm Not Blushing Powder Blush Duo. The packaging is super cute. I do have a video on this one when it first came out. If I can find it, I'll link it down below so you guys can check out the entire collection I did a review on, along with the eyeshadow that comes with this. But this is the blush and bronzer, and this is like the simplest bronzer and blush to wear every day. I lied to you not. It will give you enough color where you look like you've done something, but you really haven't done anything. And it's super cute. The packaging is so cute. So yeah, I'm going to be using this for this month. Moving on to a mascara that I used today. This is the YSL The Shock Mascara. I want to give this one a try. I used it in a video. I'm not sure if this video is going to go up first or the video creating a look that you guys requested. But this is the YSL The Shock Mascara in the shade Black. And I like it so far on my bottom lashes. Now when I'm not wearing falsies, I will put this to the test, which is throughout the week. I usually don't wear falsies during the week. I just do a mascara, so I'm excited to try this out. But so far so good. with it on my bottom lashes. Also separated my bottom lashes, which was really exciting because sometimes using certain mascaras just clumps up the bottom lashes and I wasn't going for that look. So I'm excited to see how this mascara is going to work out. Moving on to a highlighter. This is the Shayla and Colourpop highlighter in the shade Boomin. And this one was like tucked back in my highlighter and bronzer drawer. And I'm like, wait a minute, let me use this for this month as a highlighter because I'm honestly going through my Bobbi Brown and going through my Lancome one. I'm hitting pan. So I'm like, I don't want to use those up because those are pretty pricey. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Colourpop one, which is super inexpensive. I think it's like $6 if it's still on Colourpop's website. But again, this is the Makeupshayla and Colourpop collection, the first one that she came out with, and this is the shade Boomin. Super pretty highlighter. Let me see if I can swatch it for you guys, if you guys can see it. Moving on to setting powders. You guys know I love the Beauty Bakery flower powder in the shade yellow. I also talk about my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, but this one I want to give a chance because I only use it like once or twice in a review, but I'm going to go ahead and use it on my everyday type of makeup looks. This is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and it looks like this. Comes with a little like gold sifter in there. Sorry, I've been shaking it up. That's why you see all the powder there. But I'm going to give this one another chance. I remember using it for the first time, and I was like, I don't see the big hype behind it. But we're going to give it a try for this month and see how it just goes with everything else that I use for my makeup looks. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I have this on today. I forgot how good this foundation is. It's like the perfect like natural finish, medium to full coverage. You can certainly build it up, and it gives you this natural glow that comes out within yourself. So it's not like one of those extra shiny looking oily type of foundation, but it does give you a natural glow. And this one is a bit pricey, but it is definitely worth the coin. It gives you a flawless finish, and it just looks like you've done so much when really you just put on foundation and it just made your skin but better type of look. So I'm going to be using this one for this month just to give some of my other foundations a break. I know I've been using a lot of them that are my core favorites, but I'm going to go ahead and dig back into this foundation and see what I really like about it, and if I want to add it to like my top favorite foundations. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a foundation favorites type of video. I've done a foundation collection type of video here on my channel, so I'll link that video down below as well. But if you guys want me to do my top like 10 foundations, then definitely let me know down below. And a couple more products. These are all skincare products. This one is the new Sephora Hyaluronic Acid All Day Hydrator Hydrate and Glow Moisturizer, and I used this before. I used it today. I also took it with me on a family vacation, and I actually liked how thin it was. Not to the point where it's like you're not putting anything on, like watery, but thin enough where it wasn't feeling thick, and it felt really comfortable under my foundation. And this is super inexpensive as well. I believe these moisturizers are like $6 or $8. Sephora Collection has come out with some moisturizers for all skin types, whether you're oily, normal, or dry. Check out the Sephora line. They also have like vitamins and stuff. It's just so amazing to have an affordable brand, affordable product inside of Sephora that you can buy as well. So yeah, this is a super lightweight hydration moisturizer. It doesn't like mess up anything under the skin or anything, so it's just super easy to use and not too thick. So I'm gonna be finishing this bottle out. A new product that I have on hand that I'm like intrigued to try, but I'm not really a fan of the smell. It just smells like nothing. Like it smells oily to me, so I'm excited to see how this is going to work out. This is a new Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser by Drunk Elephant. It's a kiwi strawberry seed blend. It should not make it feel oily. It should melt everything away and nourish the skin. So I'm excited to see how this is going to work with removing makeup. I'm actually going to test it today to remove all of this makeup once I finish recording this video. So yeah, again, this is the Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser, Melt and Nourish by Drunk Elephant. So it's a makeup remover that I'm excited to try. You get this big jar. It comes with like a little spoon to scoop it out. I don't have the spoon on me, but it scoops out the oil. The oil is like a balm, almost similar to the Clinique Take the Day Off balm. But that's what this looks like, so I'm excited to see how this will work. And last but not least, I have been using the Korrea Hydrating Face Mist. It's a refresh, set, and moisturizer face mist, so you can set your makeup, you can use it as a primer, or you can use it as a refresher, and it looks like this. The bottle is glass, so it's pretty like sturdy. It smells really good. The rose scent is not too overbearing, overpowering, because usually rose scents in products, when it comes to putting them on my face, they tend to just make me either gag or my allergies will just go off the charts. But this one is very subtle, so the rose is not that strong. It is a fresh, clean scent. And it's just, the mist is super thin. I don't know if you guys just saw how the mist was coming out, but it's super thin and it just feels really refreshing on the skin. So I really have been enjoying this one so far. So I'm going to be using this for the month. And again, this is the Korrea Hydrating Face Mist. It is the H2 Rose. Fresh, refreshed, set, and moisture hydrating face mist. So those are the products that I'm going to be using for this month, in conjunction with some of the products that I'm still using for the month of April. So if you like this type of video, give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.